On the night of December 5th, 2024, the much-awaited premiere of Pushpa 2, The Rule at Sandhya Theatre, Hyderabad, took a tragic turn. Thousands of fans gathered outside hoping to see their favorite actor, Allu Arjun, who was present inside. But what was meant to be a night of celebration soon turned into a nightmare. As the clock ticked closer to the premiere, the crowd became uncontrollable. A stampede-like situation unfolded outside the theatre, where safety measures were shockingly absent. Among the crowd was a 32-year-old woman along with her husband and children. In the confusion, the woman was tragically suffocated as the crowd pushed forward. Her son, too, fainted in the chaos. Despite efforts by the police to revive them, the woman couldn't survive. Her son, thankfully, regained consciousness and is now receiving treatment in stable condition. This heartbreaking incident raises questions about the responsibility of event organizers, especially in such a high-profile public gathering. As we mourn the loss of an innocent life, it's crucial that we reflect on the importance of safety, crowd management, and precautions during large-scale events.